How to check Buffalo Wild Wings gift card balance online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply check your gift card balance online. Let's dive right in. Open up your Google Chrome or any other browser and head over to Buffalo Wild Wings website. Then you can see gift cards option at the top. Just tap on it and then scroll down, and there you can see gift card balance and then check balance option. Just tap on it and then a new page will open up, and here you will be prompted to enter your gift card number. It is a 16-digit gift card, and then you need to put in your 8-digit pin and then confirm that you're not a robot and then check balance. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.